To set the back button to go to the preview screen on Galaxy Watch with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it, tap Watch setting, tap Buttons and Gestures. Under back button section, tap Short Press, and then select Go to Preview Screen. To see how it works on your Galaxy Watch, open an app and navigate through it. Now press the back button once to easily go back to the preview screen. As not setting the back button to return to the preview screen can improve navigation on your watch. It allows for a smoother experience by letting you quickly go back without relying on swipe gesture. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.